Hello, techies. We are in lab 2.3.6 and we are going to identify social engineering. All right, so you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network in the United States of America. The name of your site is www.compnet.xyz. The company president has received several questionable emails that he is concerned may be malicious attacks on the company. He has asked you to determine whether the emails are hazardous and to handle them accordingly. In this lab, your task is to read each email and determine whether it is legitimate. Delete any emails that are attempts at social engineering. Keep the email and keep emails that are safe. All right, so let's go ahead and start lab. So we'll just wait for this to load. In case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So you're welcome to pause this video occasionally and work at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video accordingly, and I'm sure you'll be successful in this lab. All right, so the lab has opened up. Let us start up immediately. Let's access the emails we have so that we can sieve out the malicious email among them. So this is Microsoft update. So this is likely from Microsoft. And so this is just an update, Microsoft.com. So let's just cancel this. And I'll try to reply. So this is work related. And you can see from this is hamster.executive download. So it's gonna cancel this. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Register. After registration, we'll contact you to attend an individual search consultation. All right, so for this we are going to cancel this also. And the next email, this is a reminder that all personnel are required to watch the corporate. So this is from Human Resources. So this is from the company, and you can see that check mark there. And so we'll leave that. We'll go to the next email, online banking departments, their credit. Okay, so for this, we'll likely cancel this because it's not from the company itself. So let's see the next email. Attention to the warning, please forward to everyone you know it has just been discovered a virus. All right, so this is not let's see what the email says. Please forward to everyone you know. So so this, we're going to close this. We're not sure what it is, so we don't want to take chances. We're going to close this. It's not from the company. So the next email here comes, the boss has informed me that we need to update some of our materials on the website. And so, okay, we're going to cancel this also. Dear friend, wow, glad to see you. Glad you did. Hugs and kisses. Okay, we're going to cancel this, obviously. It has a downloadable file there, so we'll just cancel it. It's a no-no. It might be a virus. I thought you might want some free airline tickets. Grandma J. So we'll cancel this also. Important notice, action required. All personnel currently enrolled in online training must complete all open or unfinished lessons in the identify any open level 1 lessons. Go to your enrollment page, and okay, so we will see. Let's go to the next email. Activities committee. Dear pumpkin competition entrance, please take a photo of yourself with your largest pumpkin. Okay, all right, so this is, you need assistance with the photograph of your pumpkin. Okay, let's go to the next email. Can you give me an idea of the topic you would like me to cover in the presentation at the company meeting? Thanks, Bob. Okay, so I guess we've done justice to this. Let's go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment any question you might have. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.